Kia ora! Hello guys! Another beautiful day! And aalis po kami ngayon. Pupunta kami sa appointment ng father ko sa kanyang initial chiropractic assessment. Yes, magpapa-chiro po yung papa ko. Pero assessment lang po muna today. Nagpa-book po ako online last week and today it's his assessment sa chiropractic. Kasi po, nalaglag po yung papa ko last January doon sa Philippines. Tapos yung right arm niya ang nabagsak and then hindi na niya maiangat ng maayos. And then nagpahilot po siya, nagpa-x-ray pero ang sabi normal lang daw pero hindi na niya talaga maiangat. So when we arrived here in New Zealand, we decided na to have him chiropractic session. So buti na lang meron akong nahanap sa internet. Malapit lang sa amin, dito lang sa Newlyn. So, we are from Henderson. So, only 15 to 20 minutes drive. So, less than 5 days na book na. And ito na nga, papunta na kami doon. So, i-assess po siya. Meron po mga history taking, mga question and answer, kung kailangan ba niya ng x-ray or whatsoever before gawin ang chiropractic procedure. Kasi hindi po ito basta-basta. Dapat may history taking talaga. Hindi lang yung magpapahilot ka na parang nasa massage center. Hindi po. So, ito na. Nakarating na kami. Yan po yung Newlyn Chiropractic. Yes. So, see you later guys. Bye! So, we are here in Newlyn Chiropractic. Good morning.
January 1.
This year.
This year, yeah.
Okay. After that, I can't raise my arm fully. Got it. Before that, did you have any problem in the shoulder? No problem at all.
No.
And you were able to live fully?
Yeah.
Okay. It's only after that accident.
Yeah.
Yes.
Take off your shoes there.
Buat pa.
Just the shoes. Okay. And nothing in the pockets. Left. Bending right. Left again. Okay.
Yes, tapos na po yung assessment and pauwi na po kami. Pinutol ko lang po yung video for privacy purposes. So, for x-ray po yung father ko and next Tuesday, proceed na po siya sa kanyang chiropractic session with the x-ray results. So, that's it for today. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye!